Tired of repetitive tasks slowing you down? Today, we're comparing two free automation tools, TinyTask and AutoHotkey. This is to find the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. First, we have TinyTask. It's a lightweight 35KB Windows tool that records and replays mouse clicks and keyboard actions. There's no coding needed, just hit record, do your task, and play it back. It's perfect for simple automation like clicking buttons or filling forms. It's portable, user-friendly, and even compiles macros into executable files. Now, AutoHotkey. This open-source Windows tool uses a scripting language to automate tasks. It's powerful, letting you create custom hotkeys, remap keys, and handle complex workflows like GUI automation or web scraping. But it does require learning its scripting syntax, which can be tricky for beginners. So, how do they stack up? Let's compare. TinyTask shines for quick, repetitive tasks like auto-clicking in games or opening apps, thanks to its no-fuss interface. AutoHotkey, however, is the go-to for power users needing intricate automation like custom shortcuts or file management, but it demands time to learn. Which is better? If you're a beginner or need fast, simple automation, TinyTask is your pick. For advanced users tackling complex tasks, AutoHotkey's flexibility wins. Choose based on your needs and willingness to learn scripting. That's it, guys. Whether you want simplicity or power, TinyTask and AutoHotkey have you covered. Try them out and save time today.